sir. No skunk. Night fish. Chunky. Probably a little over 3. If I had to guess. Sir, night fishing here on the wall. .28 was on the swim bait, not the glide bait. Wish I got you on the glide bait or my homemade freaking lure. That would have been sick. Let's get you back. There he goes. Nice. Let's stinking go, dude. Super muddy. First spotted bass of the session. Back it goes. Got one. Okay. Spotty number 2. There we go. A little smaller than the first one, but we'll take him. Fish is a fish is a fish. There we go. It's not nothing to write home about, but hey, it's a fish. Finally. Jim Bob, he's pooping himself. It's about a pound. There he goes. Let's see what happens.
Start with a jig.
Let's start with the frog. Haven't had a topwater blow up in a minute. Scared me. Got one.
Nice. That's the other jig.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Fun size.
Hell yeah.
First one of the day. A little less than a pound, or right at a pound. It's always the little ones that jack up my lure.
Yeah. You must have hit that on the drop, it seemed like.
I was jigging it and then I just felt it go like tight. Got a follower.
Yeah.
Yeah, he followed it to the boat. He just dove. Yeah, about the same size. He just dove away from it. Makes sense. Finesse working when there's like no wind and clear water.
Mm-hmm.
Crawdad thing should work too if they want to eat a crawdad. You jigging right now or what?
I'm using the same thing you are pretty much.
Oh, okay, cool. There's a small guy. Little stinker.
It's still fun.
Yeah. Loosen my drag a little bit if they're gonna be this size. Then I catch the 6-pounder and it just runs straight into the weeds.
That's how it goes. Yeah, the water's warm. Nice.
There he goes.
Little fart.
Little one.
I saw that.
He barely lipped it. 3 bites, 1 landed, but all under a pound.
Hey, quarter-pounder of cheese is a quarter-pounder of cheese.
It's true. It's as many fish, as many bass as I hooked at Del Val all day.
I mean...
4-pound largemouth, 7-pound striper, and then the second the sun came out, it's just like, nope. Nothing for you. Another 1-pounder, feels like.
Nice She's a little... I'd say that's your biggest one yet.
I think it's about the same size as the first one. The other two that I lost were smaller. Dark bass. Maybe there's some bigger fish here too that just want something. Yeah.
Yeah, everybody just calls them BC. Nice.
Tiny. Itty bitty. Itty bitty fish titty committee. Let's go. Smallest of the day, yeah, buddy.
Cool.
Stinky. Stay away from the motor.
Yeah, when the sun came out last week.
Let's go, dude.
Barely hooked.
Yeah.
I'm surprised it's small.
Dude. If I was the guys on that wall, I would not be happy about those guys pulling up like that.
Alright, cool. I can already tell, like, hey, this guy who's a photographer, like, I wish I wasn't working.
Frick you ducks. Scaring all the fish, man. This one's better.
Oh, want the net?
Sure. Why not? Let's put it to use.
Good fighter. 2 pounder at least, maybe a 3. Couldn't tell from he woke up. Oh, damn, that's a nice one. I'm gonna say 3 and some change.
Yeah.
That's like, that's an 18-incher at least.
Let's measure it.
I'm gonna say he's like 19 with his mouth closed.
Nice. First decent fish of the day on the finesse. Heck yeah, dude.
Alright.
Let's go. Alright, y'all. First decent fish of the day. It's 19 inches. Let's see how much she weighs. 3.9. Don't know if the camera can see it, but 3.9 pounder. Pretty sweet. Let's get her back. There she goes. Hell yeah. Imagine if she was double that size. Is that a bluegill? No, it's just a tiny bass. Shake off, my guy. You shake off?
Oh my god.
Okay.
Of course, that's the one that gets a good hook set, right?
At least he didn't ruin my bait. Jimmy?
He just swapped it out.
Yeah, just got a brand new one.
I think this is like the longest I've done this water fishing this year.
Right? It's finally hoodie weather. I can tell the water is lower than the last time I was here, like a month and a half ago.
Oh, yeah. It's down probably 4 feet, 5 feet.
Yeah.
But considering it's October, like, this is pretty good for clothes.
Oh yeah, normally it's a lot lower. Nice.
Perfect release. I'm like, interesting, my line is over here now.
How did this happen? There's a big fish right there. It's like a 4-pounder. There's a little one, and then next to it there's a big one. There's a few of them right here. I'm gonna try and be real quiet and drop down my finesse. vertical jigging on these guys. Be cool if I saw them eat it in real time. One's following it. Oh, he's got it. He's got it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he had it in his mouth.
I saw.
Oh, he had it again. They're just lipping it.
Oh, you do a pretty long leader, huh?
Yeah. I also do it long just because I like to try different, like retie different things sometimes.
Yeah, no, it's a smart move. Nice. Nice fish, dude.
Thanks, dude. 2-pounder. Hooked right in the top of the mouth. It's a nice eat. Sure, 2-pounder.
I'll take it.
You got a fish, I got a snag.
I think it's even smaller than the last one I just got.
Yeah, it's like bluegill size.
Like, I didn't even get a bite last time I went.
Stevens Creek?
Yeah.
I've been going there at night. I've only caught, and I've only been throwing my glide bait. I caught one fish about this big on the glide bait. My best luck has always been very early in the morning. I mean, sometimes late afternoon, but more often than not, just very early morning.
My best day there was like at 4:30 in the afternoon during a hot day.
There was one day where I did go there with a green pumpkin chatterbait and fished it on the bottom like a jig. And in 30 minutes, I caught 4, like 3 and 5 pounders.
Yeah.
Just a good mix.
Little one.
Oh yeah. Fish?
Yes.
This looks like a good one.
Decent. Feels decent. He had it and he went back for it.
Oh yeah, pretty nice one.
I can't even see it.
It's like a 4-pounder. Sir.
I will take it. All right, cool. We both got good fish today, and the rest of the day, catch. It's confidence.
Yeah, not long but fat.
Very. He fought good.
Probably like a 3-pounder. I just saw the girth.
Yeah, I'm gonna say he's like just on the threshold.
Do you want to weigh him?
Sure, why not?
Cool. Okay.
2 and right on the nose. I want to say it feels.
2.7.
Yeah.
2.68, but still.
Didn't have that 3-pounder feel.
Yeah, if it was it was an inch longer.
Yeah. Oh, I'll take it.
Nice. Give you that.
Shake.
Yeah. Oh, I have one.
Probably the guy who just pantsed me. I mean, that's like a solid pound and
He wanted it, dude.
quarter. Yeah, he was hungry. Oh, that's on the jig.
On the little crawdad thing, yeah. There we go. Thank you, sir. That's a good one. Don't lose it. Hold on. Okay, I got it. Okay, play it. It's a nice one.
Yeah.
Let's go, dude. It's the big one of the day.
Yeah, my heart beating out of my chest right now. That's might be my best fish of the year.
Nice, makes a lot of sense.
That
one, I mean, it's skinny.
He's not quite 5.
It's pushing. It's pushing toward.
He's in the 4s. Probably 20 something.
Yeah. Nice one, dude.
Thank you.
.3.
Not bad. It's got a dead eye on him too. You see it?
Oh yeah. Blind in one eye. Nice.
Give him some oxygen.
Hell yeah, dude.
Alright.
Yeah, that would have easily been a 5 if it had eaten.
That was on the chatter on the bottom.
Oh really? Did you even move it, or did it just eat it?
I gave it one pump and then I was dead sticking it and it hit it.
Nice.
But we're coming up on the point that I saw like 4 that were that size and bigger. There we go. This is a nice one.
Pretty good one.
This is a pretty good one. Switch on the boat again. And not as big as the last one.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
Maybe I should pull the chatterbait out.
Another 2.5.
Yeah?
It doesn't have no belly.
Yeah. Later, sir.
A decent one for nothing, right?
It's alright. It's like a pound. It's not even a pound, probably. 3/4 pounder.
I think the bite's getting better. Remember it happened to one of my coworkers. Do those come with like hooks pre in them?
Yeah.
Okay. Pretty neat looking.
The way, it's sort of like the in-between of a net and a jig, the way it works.
Okay.
That's close enough.
So, last week.
Get just a parallel drip. Oh, I got one. It's good.
Good. Oh, shit. That might be the big fish of the day, dude.
Hold on. Let's get it out of here so we don't drift into the tree.
It feels 4.7. For that fish, I was like, he doesn't get one.
Yep.
He's fat.
Down the throat. It's not all the way down the throat, luckily. There we go. Yes, sir. Alright, sleeper craw. Got a chunky guy. Not super long, but a chunkster. Gonna see how much Mr. Billy Bass weighs. I'm gonna guess either somewhere between 4.3 and 3.8.
I say 4.5.
Give him a reweigh because it's definitely not right. He was saying 2 something.
No.
.7. Yeah, he's just a little short, but he's really fat.
He looked bigger in the water.
Yeah. Alright.
Nice fish, dude.
Thanks, dude. I'm under the boat. Nice.
I've seen those in the stores, but I was like, I couldn't tell if that gimmicky or.
I mean, it was hype for a minute. It's just a good lure. It's not a, I wouldn't say it's like revolutionary.
But you basically work it like you do a jig.
Mm-hmm. And you're on one? Got out of one?
Nice. His brother.
Mm-hmm.
Ate it.
Maybe you liking these craws.
Yeah, that was the pattern last week, because they're eating a shitload of craws back in these coves.
The way they're eating this one too makes me think that it's the right color also.
Yeah. It's a little murkier back here.
Wonder if I threw the finesse right here.
I was thinking the same thing, like for this cast.
I see some stumps right here that I just want to reel through, and then I'll try the finesse minnow. Wonder if you came out here with like 100-pound magnet and a really strong rope. How many? Yeah. It's a decent one. Finesse. Stay with the sticks. There's the big one of the day.
Definitely over 5.
That's what we've been looking for, man.
Nicely done.
Hell yeah. Right when I was like, I got 2 more casts on this GoPro. Look at this one, boys.
Nicely done.
Chungus. There's a chungus among us. Barely hooked, it just came out.
The back row.
There's a chungus among us. This one has to be over 5 or I'll slap my mama. No, I won't.
I could tell from the way your rod was loaded up, it wasn't another 3-pounder.
Was it no 2-pounder?
Nope.
5.15.
Nice.
Let's go. Very sharp teeth.
I think if we were competing, we'd be doing pretty good today.
Hell yeah. Nice.
Very pretty fish. He's been eating good.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Well,
right.
Time to change GoPro batteries because I'm on
Like 5%.
Yep.
Is that a good one?
No, I mean, it's not horrible. Maybe possibly a little less.
Good fighter.
Yeah. 1-pounder.
He fought good. He loaded that rod up.
Yeah. Nice. Oh, that's not horrible. It's like a respectable.
Oh, there's one chasing it.
Oh yeah, wait, hold on.
I think he's gone.
Oh, he dipped.
That's
Dang.
what happened the other day. Oh yeah, that's a
Yeah, it's fat. Look at it.
couple pounds.
It's probably 2.
Oh yeah, it feels like 2 now since I'm holding it. It didn't fight super hard to begin with, and then it woke up. But that's exactly what happened over there when I caught the bigger one. Yeah,
Nice.
it's a chunker.
Yeah.
Like for how short he is.
Yeah. It's cool.
All right. Well, shaky head, and this works well.
Confirmed.
I don't know how long the baits are gonna last.
As Marlin Bates would say, it's official.
Yeah.
A little stinky. Stop trying to put a hook in me. Now this is a certified Jimmy. Jimmy! Wow!
Wow. This feels okay.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's 2-pounder.
Yeah.
A little over 2 actually.
It feels close to 3.
You got him at the top lip, so it's a nice hook set. Oh yeah, could be. Nice, yeah, 3. It's probably a 3 actually.
Fighting like a 3 in the face, dude.
Nice.
Later. Oh, he was He was ready.
He's like, let me the hell go.
There we go. Hit it on the drop again.
Nice.
Another 2.5. Swimming towards the boat.
Oh yeah.
It's fighting. Actually, he might be bigger. Got a belly on him.
And a flipper net.
I'm gonna try flipping it. Oh yeah, much smaller. He was fighting good though.
Yeah.
Nice.
Bit that 5-inch plastic there, bud. You're crazy.
Yeah, they like
you crazy. Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
It's okay.
I'll see it
2.5,
first.
3.
You seen it already?
Yeah.
It's pretty nice.
He woke up. Saw the boat. It was swimming towards the boat earlier, I think.
Yeah. It's pretty nice.
That
It's a little bigger than you thought.
Yeah, it actually might come close to your 5. I'm gonna say it's right on the nose. Deck. I'm curious. I'm just gonna try this and compare what your scale says and my scale says.
Yeah.
So according to my scale, he's 4.5,
Okay.
which means he's probably 3.5.
I don't know.
Once you hold him up, you'll realize.
Okay. Okay. First reading said 376. Yeah, 3.8.
Cool. He has a big head.
Yeah.
It made him look bigger when he was swimming towards the boat.
I'm going straight down. You can see him keep going with how clear that water is. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. I think I've caught much here before, but I also have not tried very hard.
I've had a decent chatterbait, spinnerbait bite here before, but usually when there's wind.
Earlier in the season.
Yeah.
Speaking of which, this is a good one.
Oh shoot. Took me a second to register that. Oh, the net's behind you. Oh dude, that's a, yep. It's a really nice one. Its mouth looked pretty big. Let's go, dude.
My big fish for the day, or it's right on the nose.
As you were saying, I haven't caught many here before.
I had to jinx myself into catching a fish. He's a stinker.
Everybody's saying it's slow, so nice job.
317.
Cool.
What is it?
317. Pretty skinny.
I know, I was gonna say it looks real wide from here, and then you turn it sideways, and it's definitely in 6 months it'll be huge.
Oh yeah.
A bass for next year.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, that's gonna wrap up the day. Finesse was the way, chatterbait was the way. It was pretty good. We'll have to review the footage. I don't know how many fish we caught, but if you've been liking these videos, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, check out my other ones, and we will see you next time.